In today's trick, we're going to learn to roll out a carpet. So what happens if your dog does not have a push or a nose target on cue? Well, then we'll have to teach it. So we start out touch, good. Touch,
Not good.
Touch,
Yep.
good. Touch, good. Touch,
Good.
touch, good. Oh, it was a double, okay? So once they're reliably touching, then we're going to transfer it to the item that we would like them to touch. So I want her to touch the carpet. So my hand on the carpet and she touches it. Touch. Yes. Okay, so this time I'm going to remove my hand. Touch. Yes. Back up. Touch. Yay, good girl. Back up. Touch. Yes, good girl. Okay, so that's how we play the touch game, and it's how we get them to touch things that they're not familiar with touching. So to teach the rolling out the carpet trick, you need to first get your dog off the carpet. You start with a few treats right here. Just roll it over once and encourage push. Good. Okay. Good job. Okay, so get the dog off the carpet again. Just treats here, so I'm going to roll up a little bit more. We'll put a treat right here. Roll it up some more. Hold on. Put a treat there and encourage Brody to push it. Push. All the way. Good job. Okay, so now I'm going to do some more. And we're going to get the dog off the carpet again. So treat there, treat there, treat there, treat there. Treat there, treat there. And we're going to encourage him to push. So once your dog's fluent in rolling out the carpet, you only need to put treats at the very end. So once again, let's get the big dog off the carpet. Oh, it's out there. Go find Brody. Oh, you're cold. Very cold. Go find. Use your nose, handsome. Oh, you're so cold. Very cold. Go find. Go find. Okay, this. Okay, so I'm just going to have treats at the very end. I'm going to roll it all the way up. And I'm going to have Brody wait. Push. And rewards at the very end. Good job, Brody. Push.